When you have nothing left to give, return to the source that never runs dry. Grand Rising! I'm Deacon Joseph Long, and I want to welcome all of my first-time viewers. I'm so grateful that you're here. And to my continued followers and subscribers, thank you for walking this journey with me. Your presence here means more than you know. Today's meditation is for the moments when you feel depleted, when you've poured into everyone else and there's nothing left in your cup. You can feel it rise up in you, the heaviness, the fullness, the stress. You've given so much lately and your tank has run dry. So rest deeply into this moment, dear one, and let it be okay that you have nothing left to give. Let your spirit rest as you tap back into the never-ending source of energy, love, and grace. If this meditation blesses you in any way, I encourage you to like, comment, and subscribe so we continue growing and healing together. Let's begin. Find a comfortable position. Allow your body to settle. Let your hands rest gently in your lap or over your heart. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Hold it gently. Release through your mouth. Again, inhale deeply. Hold. And exhale slowly. One more time, breathing in restoration and breathing out exhaustion. Now allow your breath to return to a natural rhythm. Bring awareness to your body. Notice where you feel the weight, the fatigue, the strain. Perhaps it's in your shoulders, your chest, your lower back, your mind. No judgment, just awareness. You've given so much. You've shown up. You've carried burdens. You've held space for others. And now your tank feels empty. Let this be a safe space where you do not have to perform. You do not have to fix. You do not have to give. It is okay that you have nothing left. Now imagine yourself standing beside a vast flowing river of golden light. This river represents the source, the divine, God's endless love, infinite energy that never runs dry. Notice that the river flows effortlessly. It does not strain. It does not struggle. It simply flows. And you do not have to create this energy. You only need to receive it. See yourself stepping into this river. As the golden light touches your feet, it begins to rise slowly up your body. Up your legs, washing away fatigue. Up your torso, softening the tightness in your chest. Up your shoulders, melting the weight you've been carrying. Up your neck, your jaw, your forehead. This light is not asking anything of you. It only restores. Silently repeat, I release the need to give. I allow myself to receive. I am refilled by divine love. Feel the river flowing through you now, not just around you, but within you. This is the source of endless energy, the well that never runs dry. And you are connected to it, always. Rest here. If thoughts arise, let them float downstream. You do not need to chase them. Just breathe and receive. Notice now, your cup is no longer empty. It is gently, steadily filling. Not from force, but from surrender. You are sustained by something greater than your own effort. Take one deep breath in and exhale slowly. Begin to wiggle your fingers and toes. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Carry this knowing with you. You never truly run dry because you are always connected to the source. Thank you for resting with me today. If this meditation spoke to your spirit, please like this video, share it with someone who may need it, and subscribe to stay connected. Remember, you do not have to earn rest. You are worthy of restoration. Until next time, stay rooted in grace.